Hey guys, we need to unboxing this guy. My niece Alona, thank you so much Alona. My beautiful niece, give this to me guys. Let's open unboxing. Wow, look at that. Very elegant. Elegant passion jewelry. Very nice. Very nice guys. Passion jewelry ito guys. I think it's fit to my ano. Look like long. Long. I don't know how to open. Sometimes it's difficult to open. Later on. I don't like it. I think put over here. Hey. This. Dirham. Because over here is. I think over here is good. And this is the earring. Very nice. I need to remove now because usually I need to remove.
Little QR codes.
Okay. You need that one?
No.
What? Frame? No, we can pack that up. I'm printing the little QR codes
Yeah.
for people to
Very nice.
do their pictures.
You can load those pictures that you took today.
I may do a few of those.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, babe, leave that out for a second. Yeah, George is right. We got some things.
Like the ladies in the house cooking.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's good because it's part of the story.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You think 3 paper towel is fine for tomorrow?
I think so. It should be good.
Tama lang. Nice. Color ano green. Thank you, Madam Alona. I don't know what is this. What is this? I forgot to bring some. Ang phone. Di na ako mabuksan. Oh, so many. I don't know what is this.
What's the necklace?
Ha?
Is it a necklace?
Yeah, necklace. Another necklace. Necklace.
I
Necklace.
bring
also.
tissue like 6 feet.
Nice. Thank you, Madam Alona. Passion.
What's that, babe?
Tissue. Toilet paper.
Yeah, how many? Oh, that should be fine.
Next, another. That's a lot.
It's just, those are things you don't want to run out of.
I think this is. I think we put this because maths over it. I forgot that. I give them something tomorrow morning. Oh, that is a lot. All passion jewelry. What is? Oh, nice. Heart. I have this, but ano. Very nice. I have lot of jewelry now. Thank you, Madam Alona.
Put some jewelry on it.
Huh?
Put your jewelry on it.
Yeah. Others. Jewelry again? Yeah. Nice also. Thank you, Madam Alona. I don't know which one to wear tomorrow. I have over two. What is this? I think this is eyelashes. Yeah. They give me, that's wear today, that is Alona give to me. And they give another one. Good. Oh, very nice. Nice. Thank you, Madam Alona. I have lot of passion. Si ano naman si Madam Linlin ay clothes. Thank you, Madam, also for the clothes. And Alona, jewelry. Hi guys. Try hold tayo guys. This only this dress guy my niece give to me. Because sometimes if she going to the store and then they like the clothes, even not fit to him, they bought and give to me. This is it pieces guys. This one, this one, this one, and this one. It pieces they give me. I have lot of dress. And the other niece gave me 5 pair of passion jewelry. And my another niece gave me 8 pieces of dress. I am so lucky. I have a niece. They both not even not fit to them, and then they like they both. Then every time we go there to her house, they give to me. We try this guys. Let's try. Look at that guy. Oh. Very nice guy. The fitting is good for me. See? Very nice. And beautiful. Nice guy. I like this. And look at that guy. So beautiful. I like this. This is Mats. Very nice. Mats sa akong guy. Oh. The shoes. I like this guy. Samir. Beautiful. So beautiful guy. I like this. Summer dress. Nice. I like this guy. And look at that guys. Very nice. I like this dress guy. Still match my shoes. So beautiful. Thank you to my niece. Thank you, Lin Lin. My niece give this to me. Imagine mo it pieces of dress. Because sometimes if she's going to the belt and then have sale in the belt. They both even not fit to him. And every time I go there, they give me. And it's fit to me. Yeah. Because they know what I like. Clothes. Ganda guys, so beautiful. Look at this guy, so beautiful, elegant. Mag high heel ka lang guys. Ito good siya for party if you're going to the party occasion. See? I like this. Look at that. Very nice. Elegant. So beautiful. Mm, nice. Ganda guy. I like this guy. Even I wear like this guy, it's fine. Because it's not too much long in the back guy. I like this. So beautiful. Thank you. Very sexy dress. Summer na ngayon guy. So, we can wear this guy going to the mall guy. Very nice. I like it. I like this kind of dress guy because long. It's not like over here. If getting old na guy I'm old na. So I like the dress until over here. Mm. Last time guy when I'm like 40 years old, I like also wearing like over here. That is called pakigol. But now I shy na guy because of course I have varicose veins. I have varicose veins, so I shy sometime. I shy sometime if I'm wearing very short. Because of my varicose vein. But still good. I like this guy. This one guy is very sexy. Yan. I think I wear na lang guys. This one. Yan. I need to wear this. I think it's good. Yeah. Okay. Because summer na. Very nice guys. Or you wear this blazer if you want. You wear a blazer. That's fine. But because the weather is hot, I think it's not good to wear a blazer. Okay. Good. Have another one pa guys. This one. Very nice. Huh? Look at that. Very nice. Beautiful. Yeah. Summer na guys. Nice.